We're now going to go to the next section, price. For a small business, price is always a very sensitive problem. Most small businesses in the beginning think the only thing they have to use an advantage is a lower price. And I'm going to start by saying most small businesses that are successful charge a higher price than average. Okay? There's a thing called the price triangle. In the price triangle, there are three corners to the price triangle. There's the product, there's the service, and there's the price corner.
Was that thunder?
Yeah, the lightning happened. Right.
Oh,
In this, I want to state that small businesses should never try to be in that section of the price triangle, because this section is generally reserved for somebody that's very large and has lots and lots of marketing dollars. So as small businesses, we want to be in one of these corners. Okay? There is messaging in each one of the corners, but I'm going to put examples of companies in each one of these corners. In terms of product, I'm going to put a company called Rolls-Royce. Okay? They claim that they have the best car that exists, period, and they've got the price tag to go along with it. In the service corner, I'm going to pick the one that I'm familiar with, and maybe if this one doesn't work for you, you could come up with another one. But I'm going to put a company called Nordstrom's. And in the price corner, I'm going to put a company called Walmart. Okay? Do all of these companies ring true with you? Does this make sense?
yeah.
In each one of these places, there's a message that I'm trying to put out. In the product section, which in some books is called the quality section, I don't like the word quality, so I call it product. The message that is there is my product is different and better. That's the message that has to go along if you put your business in the product area. If I go down to the price area, the message is all products are the same, so buy the best value. The service ones are the ones that are a little bit harder. In the service section, we say, we are a team. I will help you get exactly what's right. These are business philosophies. And each one of you need to decide in which corner you're at, or between which two things you can be, because you cannot be the best price, the best product, and the best service. You'll never exist there. Somebody else will take that away. You really have to decide where you're going to be. So, does anybody have an idea of where they think their business fits? Yeah.
Yeah, I have an idea.
Good. Tell us about it and tell us why.
Service,
You're in service, and tell me why you're in service.
because I help customers to create beautiful content for their social media.
Okay? If it's beauty that they're interested in, aren't you really in product instead? And I'm asking the question because this is what you need to go through in this process. Are your competitors beauty the same as yours? If they got the same kind of a product from who you defined your competitors to be, would yours be more beautiful or less beautiful than theirs? Or would they not be as closely working with the customer to provide the video that the customer really wanted? That's where we're trying to look at these differences. That's why we went to the competitor thing. And if it really is, you're going to spend more time with them getting something that better fits what they do. If that's really where you want to be, yes, you are 100% in the service area. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Somebody else? Yes? Product. Your product is just plain better than everybody else's. If we're talking about the production of the concerts you produce, they're better concerts than anybody else in your niche. Great? Good. So this is where you fit. That's great. And you need to own that. Okay? You need to say, yeah, this is where I fit. You can go out and you can get another producer out there, but you're not going to have the same product. It's going to be different. It's not going to be the same quality that I produced. Okay?